We've got a total of 5 pounds of beef here. I've got a PC scoop and a ring mold. This is gonna help us make our burgers all cook evenly and kind of look nice too. If we wanna get 5 burgers out of here and 5 out of here, 10 total, we've got 5 pounds, so that'll be 10 half-pound burgers. I'm just gonna kind of eyeball what 5 is gonna look like. And I know from experience that if I fill this ring mold up, it's about 8 ounces, okay? So it's a little bit over the top like that. We'll just press that out. There we go. And then once we get here, we can kind of flatten it out a little bit, but that's a good looking burger to me. If you have a big bin, you can use one of these PC scoops and you just say, hey, I'm gonna round it off about there, same thing. So then we can get one person scooping these out and one person forming them with the mold. Okay, so let me take this, I'll set it here. And I've also got a piece of plastic wrap covering my cutting board. That'll just help us keep everything safe so that we don't have to, you know, sanitize and get radical afterwards.
Radical.
All right, so you're gonna do this, and I want you to make them look like this one.
Okay.
Okay. Push really hard enough. There you go. There you go. There you go. Nice. There you go, Leah. Good job, Hinkey. Good job. All right, so next step, we're gonna roll these. We're just gonna cover these in our rub on all sides. Boom, just like that. You don't wanna get too much on there, but just a nice light dusting. There we have it. We got 11, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. They all look pretty uniform. All right, so there we go. We're gonna get these in the smoker. The reason we have them all uniform is so that they'll cook evenly. They're all gonna be well done, but they'll have a nice smoke ring. They'll be moist and they'll have a flavorful, like a dry rub on the outside. What do you think of that?
I like it.
All right, let's hit the smoker. All right, out with the smoker again. Smoke vault. We're gonna open this baby up. Right here, and we'll just kind of lay them out. All right, so we got those on the top rack. We're gonna close this baby up, hit the smoke, and next time we check on these, they'll be ready to eat. It's gonna be good. So burgers are done. Smoke has stopped coming out. I think it's been about an hour to an hour and a half, just over 200 degrees. I'm gonna open this up. We'll get a look at our burgers here. We'll head into the kitchen and plate up a couple of these. What do you think, Leah?
I like it.
All right, so we're just gonna find a fun way to plate these up. I've got a platter here. I've got an avocado I peeled, some cilantro. I'll take one of the burgers. I'm just gonna cut it into slices. And right there you can see that little pink smoke ring, but you can also see that there's plenty of juice in the middle, right? It's not dried out. See that coming out of there? Boom, okay. So I'm gonna cut these. And one more. Lay this out. Okay. And then I'm gonna put one slice of avocado on each one. Boom. Nice work, Leah. And then I'm just gonna dice up a little. Run the knife through this. A little cilantro. We've got Paleo Q sauce.
Paleo Q.
Yeah. A little barbecue sauce. Do that. Sprinkle these onions on top.
Fancy.
So there you guys have it. This is just a quick way I did it. Be creative. Smoked burgers are pretty tough to mess up, so you can eat them plain and they'll be just fine, too, right? Yeah. So, all right. I'm Paleo Nick, and this is Leah. world-class volleyball player Hinkey.
Yep.
Thanks for helping me
You're
out
welcome.
today. And what are we doing here?
We're keeping it paleo.
Keeping it paleo.